YouTube! Okay, so what are the two shortcuts that Mr. Pass actually allows on the test?
The multiplying.
Multiplying what?
The percentage by the part.
Exactly. The percentage of a number, you multiply, you change it to a decimal, right? We should be giving people points, please. So, well, it depends on the problem, right? Okay, but if you just need to find the percent of a number, like number 1, then just put it in your calculator, right? And I know that you understand what a percentage is because 0.15, that's how you write it in a calculator, times 28. Shortcut. Get it? So that's our first shortcut, and what is that answer? 4.2. Shortcut. What about the other shortcut? There were two shortcuts. No. If you need to find what?
The
Matt. Anybody?
Oh, the percent. No.
Yeah, the percent, but what are you finding? What from what? What?
Oh, the
Percent of what?
What of can I give an example?
Well, if you have two
12
numbers.
is what percent of 32?
If you have two numbers, and you want to find what's the percent between them.
Mm-hmm.
Percent from one to the other. So you're exactly right. Number 3. So how do we do that? Mr. Brian? How do we do that? Number 3.
Oh, number 3? I know how to do it in proportion.
Yeah, but what's the shortcut?
I don't know the short.
Yeah, Nick? 12 divided by 32. Yeah. 12 divided by 32. All right. Ooh, I wrote 36. That's weird. Okay, and what was that answer? 0.375, which we changed to a percent. Easy cheesy, it's 37.5%. Okay, you need to show a proportion for it. There's really no shortcut that makes sense. Okay? Okay. All right, so who can help me with that one, setting up a proportion? Adiba. Okay, how did you come up with that? Top left of what? Okay, why does it go in the top left of a proportion? Because it's the part. So let's go through the whole thing instead of I have to reveal everything. Part over whole, right? You don't have to draw the box, but for YouTube I want it to be here. So amount and percent. Okay, good. So she says the part is 30, right? 100 is always here. 40 is the percent, and we're missing this. Okay, so you wrote a proportion. Now I would reduce that. So easy. What is 4? And we take off the zeros, and then we got 4/10, right? What's that? 2/5. So easy. So 30 over x equals 2/5. Hey, now we can do the easy method. Awesome. So times 15 times 15. What's 5 times 15? I don't know. 75. So x equal to 75. Yep. So yeah, I say the easy method. You guys agree with me on that? Okay, but again, this is one where you don't have a way to type it into the calculator that is intuitive. Do you? I don't. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Anybody? Roberto, how about you do number 4?
You should do it. That's crazy. That's me. You forgot the
It's not, all right, well, you're taking up too much time. In Minecraft basketball last season, Roberto made 38% of his Minecraft baskets. He's pretty good at those. At this rate, how many Minecraft baskets will he make if he attempts 30 Minecraft baskets? Okay, what are we finding? Anybody? What are we finding? Are we finding?
How many baskets he needs to take?
Yeah, how many baskets? Are we finding one number, the percentage from one number to another?
No.
No. Are we finding the percentage of a number?
No. Yes. You are.
Yeah, we're finding 38% of 30. They're saying if he attempts 30 and he has the same rate, what will it be? So it's easy. 0.38 times 30. Done. Right? Again, if you did the longer way with proportions, fine, show me your work. He would have made 11.4 Minecraft baskets. Whatever those are. Oh, you're right, round. So it would be 11. 11 Minecraft baskets. Thank you. Silly me, I didn't round. Okay. Oh, thank you for waiting to sharpen your pencil, young man. What a nice guy. Okay, a super fancy skateboard for who? Ashley skateboard. You're a skateboarder, right? I know. I made the price really high just for fun. Okay, so how much did Ashley's skateboard cost, everybody?
$925 plus tax.
Right, but now they have to add tax. So how do we do this? Now there's a shortcut to do it in one calculator move. Who knows it?
I forgot.
Do you know it, Richie? Okay. Yeah. Oh wait, you already did answer one. Is anybody new? Anybody new? Anybody new?
What?
I forgot.
Yeah. Roberto, what do you think?
Oh wait.
Wanna try it?
I
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay. What do you think? Nice. 1.0825. Yeah, we just add 100% to it. Good job. Let's have a hand for all the people who volunteered so far. So yeah, now you could have done 0.0825 first, right? And then added it later. Nick, write this down, man. You gotta write this down. So good for you. It's like eating your vegetables. Okay, and what was our answer? Our answer is $1,001. I should write a dollar sign. Yeah, because apparently Ashley's rich, so she gets a lot of money for her skateboards. Okay, 1001.31. There you go. Yay. Good job, Tia. Okay, of the 40 students in Mr. Pass's math class, 55% were girls.
22 girls.
How many were
Oh,
boys?
I'm a boy. I'm a boy.
Okay, he
I'm a
says
boy.
22
Yeah.
girls.
18 boys.
Right, 22 girls, 18 boys. Okay, now there is a shortcut again to do this in one
Multiply it.
multiply what?
Oh, I know.
0.55 by 40.
Okay, but that's not the one step, that would be the two step.
40 by 45.
Right,
Percent.
0.45 because you're subtracting from 100%, right? But you don't have to do that. You could do his way, maybe it makes a lot more sense to you. You find 0.55 and then you subtract it from the total. So 0.45, so it was 18 boys. Well, like I was just saying, 0.55 is the amount of girls, but they're not asking for the number of girls, they're asking for the number of Minecraft boys. Okay,
Minecraft boys.
demonetized. Alright, that's funny. Okay, okay, the computer is on sale for $300. So if we look here, we're gonna make a magic box. Yeah. Ooh. So we're going part
Witchcraft.
and whole. Okay. And then amount and percent. Okay. So 100 always goes here. All right. Now, what is the part and what's the whole? Remember, the sale price is 300. So yeah, very good. That's the part. We don't know the original. Now, 300 is what percent of the original?
65.
It's point.
30.
It's 35% because it's 65% off.
Oh.
So
That's
yeah, this is one of the trickiest ones on the whole test. Okay. So when they give you a sale price, right? The on sale price, which I read quick and didn't look at because I'm not a perfect person. Okay, then you have to set this up differently. And there's no way to do it without changing it to 35%. There's no way to do it with the 65. Okay, so now we cross multiply. What do we get? We get 300 times 100, which is 300 with 2 more zeros, is equal to what, Ashley? 300 times 100 is equal to, no, not that. Cross multiplication is equal to what? No, she's answering.
35 times.
Yes! Good job. 35x. And now we divide both sides by 35, and then we get the answer that I wanted. Does anybody have it yet?
57.14.
Exactly. So it's $857.14. Now, you might think to yourself, hey, wait a second. How do I know if that's right? Could I check my work? Exactly. Dylan, help us. Dylan L. So if 857 is the answer, how do we check it?
Multiply that
Mm-hmm.
35.
Times 0.35.
Yeah.
Right, and we see if that brings us the answer, right? The original sale price. Okay, did anybody try it yet? $857.14 times 0.35 should bring us the $300. Right, because we rounded. Yep. Good job, Dylan, for figuring that out. Give Dylan 10 points. That was pretty excellent right there. I know. Crazy sauce. Okay. So any questions about that problem? Just look out for if they give you the sale price instead of the original price on a problem. Okay? Numero 8. Find the percent of change. Oh, percent of change. I love those problems. Who wants to try it? Melanie, you never volunteer on YouTube. Let's try it. All right, Melanie. How do we find the percent of change? Doesn't matter. How do we do the percent of change? Help us. Remember, these were 2 steps. Step 1. All right. Yes. Okay, why do you subtract? That's right, because you find the change first. 39 minus 24, that's 15, right? Okay, what's step 2, Melanie? We have to find the percent of change, so it's not 15. Okay, what do you think, Maddie? Maddie, what do you think? Yes, sir.
15 divided by 24.
Yeah, divided by the original. Okay? And that answer is 62.5%. It does 0.625, which makes, move the decimal over twice, right? 62.5%. I just like writing a half because it's better.
Mr. Pass?
What?
Are we going to be allowed to have our notebooks out for the test?
No!
No?
Of course not.
What? Then what was the point of writing it?
The point of writing notes is to learn it and to use it on your homework. Yeah. And to study with it tonight a whole lot. Yes. Yeah, you could write 62.5, of course. Okay, Miriam Sporting Goods buys snowboards for $125 each and marks them up 72%. Wow, that's a lot of money. Okay, so how do we could do that in one step. Who knows? Dylan, you think so? Go ahead. No. Richie. That's going to give you the markup, but that's not going to give you the selling price. Oh yeah, they asked you for 2 answers here. Yes. Yeah, selling price. 1.72. Very good. And that gives you $215. Thank you. And how much more was that? Well, that was 90 more bucks. Because if you did why am I doing that? Hold on. 125, if you did 125 times 0.72 to find that just the markup. Why did they ask you for two answers here? I don't know. But they asked you for two answers. They said, what's the markup and what's the selling price? So you got two answers. The markup was 90, selling price was 250.
Yeah,
No, I didn't make this up. Maybe. You have to read it. You have to read it. You have to read it. That's what accelerated math students do. They read.
That's my favorite part of math.
I know.
Reading.
Exactly. After a month, Anthony wants to sell the rest of his snowboards at a discount. Good for him. Original price was $65. So what is the discount and how much is the sale price? So two different answers. Okay? Discount and sale price. All right? Anybody? Anybody?
I got it.
You guys are shy on YouTube. Yes.
So you have to, for the discount, you have to do 65 times 0.35.
Yeah, 0.35, and that equals
22.75.
right. So 22.75, $22.75. So that is the discount. Discount. Okay, that was really sloppy writing, but okay, I'll do it. Again. I'm trying to make sure we get through everything. Discount. Okay, and then 65 times what for the entire thing? Or you could add that to the original. Let's just add it. That's easier. Okay, I'm not going to write it all out though because I want to try to make sure we get this done in time. 67.75. No, what am I saying?
Mr. Pass.
Oh no, a discount. Why am I adding? No, it's discount. So we subtract. So the final answer is 42.25.
Mr. Pass.
Yeah.
If we don't finish today, will it be homework?
Yeah. All right, Chase's grandmother. That's so nice. She gave him $1,200.
Oh, mine's
Rate of interest is 3.5. How do we find that?
Oh.
0.035. Very good. And that gets you something. I think it's no.
42.
Yeah, 42. $42. I think you missed a 0.0. Okay, and then we have to times 3 for 3 years, right? And that gets 126. Remember, it was 3 years. And it said simple interest, so we knew we didn't have to do all those other steps. What? I didn't hear what you said. Never mind. Okay. A used car for Allison sells what? Are you sure you don't want to ask that question? Okay. A used car is $5,500. She's an ASP. Allison. Yes, she is. Okay, $5,500, which is 40% decrease from the original. Okay. So this is one where we're not finding 40% of 5,500. We're finding 40% of a mystery number. So on these problems, I'm requiring you to make a proportion. Right? Okay, here you go. Out of 100%, amount. Okay. So, what is our part in our whole?
Our part in the whole is 55. 550. I mean, wait. No. 5,500.
5,500 is the what? The part or the whole?
The part.
He says part. Do we agree?
yes.
Yeah, he's right. 5,500 is the part after it decreased, right? So we don't know the original. And the percent, 55 is what percent of the original?
Well, you can 40.
No, it's
Oh,
60. It's 60 because we took 40 off of 100. Okay? So now we've got 550 over x. So this is another tricky one.
You can
Right.
simplify.
Oh, 5,500, excuse me, equals 60 over 100.
You can simplify.
Let's reduce it. Okay, we divide by 10. We could divide by 2 again. So it's 2/5 again. Right? 3/5. What am I saying? 3/5. 3/5. So now we do 5 times 5,500 equals what, Ashley? 5 times 5,500 equals 3x. Good. And what's 5 times 5,500? I don't know.
2,000. This one.
27,500? Okay. Equals 3x. We divide by 3. I should have that here. Yeah, I think so. 8. Divided by 3. See if this is right. Yeah, that's right. It's $9,166.
9,000 what?
It's 9. Oh, let's divide by 3 on both sides. It is $166.67. Could you test that, Dylan? Of course you could. You could say 9,100 times 0.6, right? And it should be 8,000, I think. Yep. Oh, wait. But it's also for 3 years. Okay, sorry. That was not that problem. Okay, now we're on Reese's problem, though. Not Vaughn's problem, but Reese's problem. That's his brother, who looks just like him because he's a twin, believe it or not. Yeah, I mean, did you know that twins look like they're twins?
What?
It's
Wait.
true.
My name is Mind blown.
I hate to break it to you. Alright, let's see. Okay, plus tax of 7.5 and also 22% tip. Alright, I'll offer a prize out of the prize box for someone who thinks they can do this in one step.
I know it. Oh!
Well, Richie's hand was first. What do you think?
Bruh.
Well, you didn't know yet. If you know, raise your hand. Yes.
His voice slowly.
Speak louder.
No, you don't have to add it first. Just tell me what to do.
Oh, then you just multiply it.
So multiply what? 95 times, and then we add those two together. Very good. So 22 plus 7.5, 0.29, we don't need a point there anymore. 0.295, because we added these two percentages together. You could do it separately if you wanted to. You could say, oh, the tip is that amount. Oh, the tax is that amount. But we're going to do it in one step, okay? So that equals that equals,
28.
280.
no.
Right here, Miss Pass, look.
Oh, we need to do 1 point.
Wait, oh!
Yeah, we missed that one. 1.295.
Oh, 1 more.
Yeah, because it's more than the original, right? Like Tia told us before. So, yeah, that's it. $123. So you missed that one part, Richie, but you still did a great job. I say you get surprised. Hmm? Yeah, you get points. All right, that's it. What? Okay, 0.295. 22 plus 7.5 is 29.5. And so we're just doing them all together. Yeah, so 1.295. Bye, YouTube.